Hi, in this video I want to show you how to use include and exclude operators in get or push actions. Include and exclude operators are used for Salesforce multi-pick lists in conditions for push or get. In order to explain in more details, we'll create a form together. But first, let's go to Salesforce. I want to show you something. I've created in the contact object an additional field called contact interest. It is a multi-pick list, and I've populated the data. Okay, there are 5 values: sports, music, cycling, rest, my favorite. Okay, now let's go back and create some data on the screen. Let's start with a table, change the field names, last name, and interests. Okay, now let's create a mapping for this table. Let's select the contact object and execute for form load. Now let's map the fields to the table. First name would be first name. Last name would go to last name, and interests go to interest. This is it, the mapping is complete. Let's go to the condition and first of all make sure we see all records returned in the table. Now let's create a condition, okay? Let's say I want to see only contacts with contact interest that include, let's say, the other music. I want to see all contacts that have music in their interests. Apply. Let's publish the form and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, we got 9 records in return because 9 contacts have music in their interests. Now let's go back to the form and change. Okay, let's change the get, actually, the condition. Change the condition to say I want to see now contact interests that include music and TV. Okay, I want only contacts that include both of them now, and music and TV. Let's apply and publish. Okay, we have only 2 contacts with TV and music. We can look at that. Okay, only this one and this one. Okay. Now, what if we want? Let's change the query again. What if we want to see in the condition all contacts that have in their contact interest music or TV? In this case, currently it's an AND operation. And what if we want an OR operation? Then we have a different operator for that. It's called includes OR. Okay. If I choose this, now I will see all contacts will contact interest music or TV. Okay. You must remember the comma and the space. Okay. Now let's apply and see. You can see that now we have much more contacts returned, 10 contacts, because 10 contacts have either music or TV. Okay? Now let's go back to the form and continue with our changes. Next. I want to see only contacts with exclude now. Let's switch to exclude, okay? I do not want to see contacts with music. Let's save, publish, and see. Okay? As you can see, we have only 2 contacts because other contacts have music in their preferences. Okay? So let's go back and keep on changing. Now I want to have music or TV. Okay? I do not want to see, not or TV, it's an AND operation. I do not want to see contact that has either both music and TV. Let's see. Let's publish this. Okay, as you can see, we have 9 records now because 2 records have both values. Okay? Now let's go to the form and continue changing. What happens if we want to exclude values of contact interest that has either TV or music, not AND. Currently it's an AND operation, okay? We just didn't see all the contacts which have both of them. Let's create the exclude OR. This is why we have the exclude OR for that, okay? In this case, again, we will not see any contact with music or TV. Let's apply and see. Now we do not see any other contact because all the other contacts has either TV or music, okay? This is exactly what we wanted to get. This is how you work with include and exclude operators in push and get operations. Thank you very much.